Hello and welcome to another free.volous episode. This one is going to be a very special one because, as you may have realized from the title, I did a swap with a subscriber, and finally I have the package with me and I'm going to share with you the contents. But first, a little bit of a background story. Basically, Barbara, I love you, and she reached out to me. She's from the US. In the summer she offered to send me stuff from the US to which I don't have access, or anything I would be interested in, basically, and we decided to do a swap. So each one of us spent the same amount and sent to the other person a little box of goodies. And this was really fun to do, to put up that list of stuff I would like to see, and to see what she wanted, because I mean, here in Portugal we don't have access to a lot of things within a rational budget that you don't have in the US. But yeah, we made it through because Barbara really loves her spices and her cooking stuff, so I managed to go outside of the beauty bubble and kind of satisfy whatever she wanted to reach or to have, and I hope she's happy. She's told me she's really happy. And then everything got delayed. We ended up sending the packages in December only, so 6 months later. And for Barbara, although the US restrictions and customs are really high up in there, there are a lot of stuff I sent her that supposedly wasn't meant to be sent and would be confiscated upon arrival, but nothing happened. Everything arrived beautifully. To me, however, Portuguese customs is a bitch. And I'm really pissed because we decided to add stuff that we weren't going to disclose to the other person, so it would be a surprise, but the customs in Portugal don't work with that. Despite this being disclaimed as a gift, then the customs forced me to have a thorough list of what was inside and the values. So it was fun and it was really annoying, but Barbara is a really treasure hunter. She can get her coupon, something that we don't have in Portugal, and a lot of discounts. She subscribes to beauty boxes and all of that, so she added a lot of stuff that wasn't in my list. And I'm going to open it for you, but before that, Barbara, thank you. You're wonderful. You're a wonderful human being, and in this miserable end of afternoon here in Portugal, you brought a lot of light to my day. And relax, the package has arrived. I'll take the scissors to the packaging and I'll let you know what's inside. Another layer, yay! I'm so excited. Barbara put everything in a subscription box, which is the Boxy Charm. Just a moment for me to say, this is my Boxy Charm unboxing. If you watch Kathleen Nights, you know what I mean. Oh, the amount of glue. Now I know why customs demanded for a list of stuff inside. It would be impossible to get in, Barbara. It's also well sealed. They must have been pissed because they couldn't snoop around. Here we go. First thing inside is the Alamar Cosmetics Reina del Caribe palette. This is the volume 1, which was the only one available at the time. The number 2 looks amazing. And this has a lot of bright summery colors, but this Guantanamera and Cafecito here, ooh, they look really nice mattes for a more dark, sultry eye. Maybe I will do a winter look with a summer palette. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. So that's the first thing. I asked for it, so yes. The next thing I also asked for, this is the Revolution, or Makeup Revolution, and the Emily Edit The Once palette. And I really like Emily Noel. She collabed with Revolution Makeup. I'm giving myself a double chin here. No need. She collabed with Makeup Revolution to create a palette when I asked for Barbara for this, it was getting all the rave reviews, and then came some less rave reviews, but I had to try it nonetheless. The color scheme is beautiful. It has a lot of purples, some really muted greens that are not too bluey. They're more on the olivey side, which I love. And then of course you have your classic reds and oranges. So I'm really curious to play with it, and I'm really impressed with the packaging, which is plastic. We do have a bit of Makeup Revolution here in Portugal, but we don't have these kinds of collabs and palettes. Oh, now wait a minute, there are things on the side. Yes, I asked for this. This is the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and I really wanted to try this. In the meantime, I saw this being sold in Ghent in Belgium when I went out for the New Year's, and I was almost about to buy it. Then I remembered, no, Barbara is sending one for me, and these are far cheaper in the US, so yeah. So here it is. Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I'm going to apply just a bit. Now I realize what people say about the scent. It is quite coconutty in something that I know, but I can't describe. And I'm going to take a bit. I'm going to start to play up with this. Woo, it's nice. It's a pretty, very pretty bronzy color for the winter for me. I don't know if this will be noticeable on my skin tone when I'm in the summer, when I'm darker. But for now, it's a beautiful, very, very subtle color. Love this, Barbara. Already has 2 thumbs up from me. It smells nice also. Let's hope it doesn't meddle with my tretinoin treatment, but I don't care. A lot of plastic, don't worry, I'll recycle. Next in is, oh, I know what this is. So happy! So happy! This is like Christmas all over again. Yes, the consumeristic, I don't know, you know what I mean. Part of Christmas, opening presents, and this was also well packaged and so carefully placed. Oh my god, Barbara, this is the Essence Pure Nude highlighter, which by some weird thing happening here in Portugal, we never got it. I don't think we got it. It doesn't look like much in the pan, but it is said to create the most beautiful, oh yes, you can see it on camera, the most beautiful subtle sheen for every day, which I like. And we never got this. We can't order it online or anything. I could try and order it from Amazon, but I don't like the markups that they do on products. So I asked this. This is basically a permanent item in the US, I think, because it's been available forever. And here in Portugal, things just go in and out of collections very quickly. But I'm so happy for this one. There's a beautiful little box. Can you see it? She wrapped it with a bow, a fabric bow. Aww, this is so sweet. I must be in and out of focus at all times because I keep moving. I'm sorry, but that's just life. My camera does not do autofocus. I mean, it does, but it would do autofocus every 3 seconds, and it gets really annoying, and you hear it na-na-na-na-na, na-na-na-na-na at all times, so it's not good. Oh, this is so sweet. A box within the box within the box. Inception of the boxes. Oh, I have a letter. I'll read it in private. Basically because I don't want to cry on camera. And there's a way of doing so, which is not letting yourself get too emotional. I'm still controlling my emotions for now, so we'll be fine. But I think I will lose it when I read her letter. So yeah, this was the surprise part that we had to spoil because of custom. Oh, look at this! See, she wrapped each individual gift. Oh, you're so sweet, Barbara. I don't deserve this. I'm just a weird, normal person in Portugal. You're so sweet. So I'm opening in no order. I know what's inside, but I'm still shook. I'm shook. Shook. I don't know. I'm not young. This is the Drunk Elephant TLC SUKARI Baby Facial. This is a 25% AHA and 2% BHA exfoliant. Barbara. These are things she received as samples or she got in beauty boxes and things she doesn't get along with. And she decided to send them to me and I'm so grateful. Oh my God. Oh my God. You know what's really annoying is that we could have lied to the customs people because they didn't open this. It's all perfectly packaged. And they decided, it's so annoying. But anyway, she sent me the set of 3 brushes from Alamar Cosmetics. She says she loves them. She wanted me to have a set too. So this is really amazing and I'm going to try them very soon with my Alamar palette. And she also sent me a mini, less plastic noise. This is not ASMR. She also sent me a mini of the tattoo liner by Kat Von D. Really well packaged, Barbara. You're giving me a workout here. Oh, so sweet. This is a Kat Von D Studded Kiss Creme Lipstick in Double Dare. Oh, I'm a sucker for minis and... Oh, it smells nice. And it's a very pretty, neutral, rosy nude. I'm so happy. I didn't remember this one. This is the Cover FX Shimmer Veil. A pearlescent cream, perfect for eyelids, but can be used anywhere you want. A veil of shimmer. This unparalleled buildable formula feels weightless, lasts all day, and won't crease or transfer. This is in the color Amethyst. Likes me the purples. Never tried. I love Cover FX. Never tried their shimmer veils, so I will. It's a really cute pinky purpley color. It has a beautiful shift, almost from a coppery color from here to pink to purple. Really nice, with quite a lot of blue in it. Love. It's a great pop of color for the center of the lid. Oh, this is the Hank and Henry matte liquid lipstick, and I got the color Petal Pusher, which seems, oh, the packaging, bougie. And let me see. Oh. It smells very, very, very much of vanilla. I think NYX vanilla. And it is this beautiful, again, dusty rose. So cute! This is a little sample of Luna. She knows I love it. She doesn't get along with it, so she sent it to me. Look at how cute it is. I love to use Luna, especially in the summer when I'm not into applying very harsh retinols to my face. It's a really good oil, really good. Some people don't get along with it, and it's fine. See? You can always give it away now to someone you love. Oh, it's a mini Kat Von D little mirror, a hand mirror. So cool. Yowz. And the last item in the box. She knew I loved this, and she told me, again, she doesn't get along with it. So this is the Chlorane Dry Shampoo with Oat. This is not the brunette version, but you can make it work anyway. But yes, and it smells amazing. And it's great for traveling. Love this size. So yeah, that is all, and that is plenty, Barbara. So I took a moment, I read Barbara's little letter. She was explaining why she sent these little extra trinkets to me. basically thinks she didn't get along, or colors she didn't think she would pull off. I am a very happy tomato right now. I'm so happy that I can't even explain. The internet has really bad things and has really good things, and this is one of the most special and amazing, magical powers that you can get through the internet. And I'm not talking about people sending me stuff, which is amazing, and stuff that I wouldn't get a hold of here in Portugal. That's amazing. But the connection you can have with people you would otherwise never get to know, or never even know they existed, through this little magic window. It's a really special time to be alive, and it all comes down to people. There are good people and bad people. There are good things to the internet, there are bad things to the internet. It's just a reflection, and I love this little bit of reflection of humankind in beauty form that is so beautiful, and that I am so lucky to share with you, and to have, and to cherish. And again, Barbara, thank you so much for doing this with me, and I hope you're enjoying your spices and your little beauty trinkets. Let me know how that eye primer went, because I didn't buy it for myself, and I'm really curious because all the beauty YouTubers are talking about it, so I want to know if it's worth the splurge. And other than that, thank you for sitting with me and sharing this mini Christmas in January with me. Thank you for being there, truly. And subscribe if you haven't already and you want to keep in touch with me. Share my channel with people you think may be interested in my content. And as usual, leave me a like, thumbs up, leave me in the comments down below what you want to see next. And thank you for spending your time, your precious time, on me. And I'll see you on my next video. Bye!